2. Sipadan Island, Malaysia. Sipadan Island emerges as one of the world's premier scuba diving destinations, with its crown jewel, Barracuda Point, ranked as the #1 dive site globally by SCUBA Travel in their 2025 list. This small oceanic island, located off the east coast of Malaysian Borneo in the Celebes Sea, sits atop an extinct volcanic cone that rises dramatically from the ocean floor, creating a unique underwater topography that attracts an extraordinary concentration of marine life. Underwater paradise. What makes Sipadan truly exceptional is the sheer abundance and diversity of marine life concentrated around a relatively small area. The island's location in the heart of the Indo-Pacific biodiversity triangle means divers encounter an astonishing variety of species. The underwater landscape features dramatic walls that plunge thousands of feet into the abyss, creating the perfect environment for both reef dwellers and pelagic visitors. Jacques Cousteau, the legendary oceanographer, famously described Sipadan as an untouched piece of art after visiting in 1989, declaring it one of the most remarkable dive sites in the world. Decades later, this assessment still rings true, despite the island's growing popularity among diving enthusiasts. Premier dive sites. Barracuda Point, the island's most celebrated site, lives up to its name with massive tornado-like schools of barracuda that can number in the thousands. These silvery predators often form dense, swirling formations that create one of diving's most spectacular sights. Beyond the barracudas, this site features a coral-covered wall where white-tip reef sharks cruise by, and large green turtles are frequently encountered. The site's topography includes an underwater prairie swept by occasional strong currents that bring in a parade of pelagic species. South Point offers another world-class diving experience, particularly known for its resident schools of jackfish and bumphead parrotfish. The latter can be seen in groups of 20-30, using their powerful beaks to crunch coral as they feed. The site's wall features numerous small caves and overhangs where reef sharks often rest. Sipadan Drop-Off provides a classic wall dive with exceptional visibility, often exceeding 100 feet, 30 meters. The wall is adorned with colorful soft corals, gorgonian fans, and sponges, creating a vibrant backdrop for the marine life. Large schools of blackfin barracuda, batfish, and snappers are common sights, while eagle rays and leopard sharks make occasional appearances. Marine life encounters. Sipadan is particularly renowned for its turtle population, with both green and hawksbill turtles present in such numbers that multiple encounters during a single dive are virtually guaranteed. The island serves as an important nesting site, and turtles can often be seen resting on the reef or gracefully swimming in the blue. Reef sharks, particularly whitetips, are ubiquitous around Sipadan, with gray reef sharks and the occasional leopard shark also making appearances. The island's waters host over 3,000 species of fish and hundreds of coral species, creating one of the most biodiverse marine ecosystems on the planet. Conservation and access. Recognizing Sipadan's ecological importance, the Malaysian government implemented significant conservation measures in 2004. All resorts were removed from the island, and a permit system was established, limiting the number of divers to 120 per day. These measures have helped preserve the island's marine environment, though the limited permits mean advance booking is essential. Divers now stay at nearby islands such as Mabel or Kapalai, making day trips to Sipadan. This arrangement has had the added benefit of developing the muck diving scene around Mabel, which complements Sipadan's big fish action with opportunities to spot rare macro creatures. Diving conditions. Sipadan offers relatively accessible diving conditions suitable for intermediate divers, though some sites can experience strong currents. Water temperatures remain warm year-round, typically ranging from 79-84 degrees 26 to 29 degrees, making a 3mm wetsuit sufficient for most divers. Visibility is generally excellent, often exceeding 80 feet, 25 meters. The island can be dived year-round, though the best conditions typically occur from April to December. The monsoon season, January to March, can bring reduced visibility and rougher sea conditions, though diving remains possible. Practical information. Access to Sipadan involves flying to Kota Kinabalu or Tawau in Malaysian Borneo, followed by a road transfer to Semporna and a boat ride to your resort on Mabul or Kapalai. The entire journey from major Asian hubs like Kuala Lumpur or Singapore can be completed in a single day. Accommodations range from budget-friendly operations to luxury water bungalows. Most dive packages include a mix of diving days at Sipadan, permit allowing, and the surrounding islands. 3 to 4 dives daily is the standard offering, with 5-day packages being the minimum recommended stay to maximize chances of diving Sipadan multiple times. Sipadan represents the pinnacle of tropical reef diving, offering a perfect combination of dramatic underwater topography, incredible biodiversity, and reliable big animal encounters in relatively comfortable diving conditions.